Aurionpro is hiring. The role is Automation Engineer L2. This opportunity is based in Chennai. Freshers and experienced candidates can apply. Apply using the link in the caption.
Automation Engineer L2 position is responsible for improving operational efficiency by automating repetitive infrastructure tasks and supporting enterprise automation platforms. So, this role combines infrastructure automation, configuration management, monitoring and alerting, job scheduling, enterprise support, performance optimization, and incident resolution. Professionals in this role help organizations reduce downtime, improve scalability, and maintain highly available infrastructure environments. So, as an automation engineer L2, your daily activities may include developing automation playbooks using Ansible, creating configuration management solutions, automating server provisioning, manage infrastructure deployments, standardizing configuration processes, manage BMC TrueSight environments, support Control M job scheduling, monitor infrastructure health, configure alerts and notifications, resolve job execution failures, provide L2 support for automation issues, troubleshoot automation failures, analyze recurring incidents, improve automation reliability, reduce operational overhead, optimize existing automation workflows, improve execution efficiency, automate repetitive operational tasks, enhance monitoring capabilities, improve reporting mechanism, work with infrastructure teams, support network teams, coordinate with application teams, assist cloud operation teams, support enterprise IT initiatives. And the technologies that you will work with is Ansible, SaltStack, BMC TrueSight, Control M, Linux, Windows Server, Python, shell scripting, Bash, servers, virtualization, networking, cloud platforms, enterprise data centers. Candidates should possess knowledge in Ansible administration, salt stack management, infrastructure automation, Linux administration, Windows administration, configuration management, monitoring tools, job scheduling, Python, shell scripting, automation development, networking fundamentals, server management, system monitoring, performance analysis, incident management. Educational qualification requirement is computer science, information technology, software engineering, electronics and communication, related technical discipline bachelor's degree. Preferred certifications can significantly improve selection chances. It could be Red Hat Certified System Administrator, Red Hat Certified Engineer, Red Hat Ansible Automation Certification, Salt Stack Administration Certification, etc. etc. Candidates interested in technologies and automation driven careers will benefit significantly from this role. So, do apply and look for the link in the description. All the best.